Hi all, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel, Little Ellys Sewing. Today I thought I will take a video of a much requested item, which is called adjusting the bobbin tension. So that has been asked to me for a long time. I have been postponing it forever and ever. So I thought today I will show you guys how it is. So let's start. First question is, should you change the bobbin tension? Because there is a generic rule that is mentioned many times, that is that if the top stitch on your fabric is bad, bobbin is the problem, or bobbin is the problem, bobbin thread or bobbin is the problem. And if the bottom stitch in your sewing is the problem, then your top thread is the problem. So that is how you have to investigate an issue. Why I'm saying this is because it's sometimes a very simple mistake in threading the machine which could be causing some issues, and there is literally no need to adjust anything as such. One point to note is that when you are threading the top thread, always keep the presser foot up when you are doing it, so that the tension disc here are all engaged. So first I will change I forgot to change. Okay, another important step is when you insert the bobbin, see that you are following this many a times. People do it upside down like this and all, like this. So this is wrong. This is the direction in which your thread should be wound when you're inserting it down. So this is something, there is usually sewing machines carry this map here. So this is what you have to see. So insert it like this, insert the thread like this, right? Next step is we have to bring the bobbin thread up like this. So when you say bring bobbin thread up, it is through this hole here. So this is the bobbin thread coming up through the hole. So this is how we should be ideally starting our sewing. Next, let us do a test. So this is the top. It's not very clear because I have used white, but I think this is fine. And back is also like this. So this looks pretty good, like evenly spaced. And here, see here, your both. This means the machine is quite nicely threaded and the stitches are coming well. Next, we will adjust the bobbin tension. So first of all, we have to remove this part and use this is a screwdriver that comes with the machine. So I'll show you why we need these two edges. So let us remove this needle plate. So this is the portion where you adjust the bobbin thread. I hope you can see. I've zoomed it too much, almost 6 times. This portion. So this edge of the screwdriver is what you can use to adjust this. Okay, so I will zoom out a little bit. Okay, so can adjust it little bit like this. You needn't. So now this is the part, this is a screw that adjusts the bobbin that I told. Now there are two ways to do it. You can loosen this and take this out from them, adjust it and keep it back. Probably easier method is to figure out a small tiny screwdriver set like this. And so I have a tiny screwdriver set like this. If you want to see the size, this is the size, very tiny. And zoom back so that you can understand. Okay, so this is the screwdriver set. So what you can do is going to use this edge. I believe I got it from Amazon, I'm not sure. If I can find, I will put the link. So let us now try to lift this up little bit using my, I lift this and turn it around. So now it is lying horizontally. We need to be very careful because these such needs only minor adjustments, and little bit of adjustments can make a little difference. So you have to take a picture. Probably it's a better idea to take a picture of this screw, how it is lying down. Mine is lying down horizontally like this. You can see it is lying down like this. So now I will use this lift here, lift it tiny, and I'm going to turn it a little bit, like probably 1/4. Okay, see, we have seen that, right? Usually bobbin tension is not something that we adjust unless you have a specific need. Here I thought I'll show you one place where we can change the bobbin tension. So this is a embroidery thread, it's anchor thread. There are certain ways to use this for decorative purposes. So we will try that. Okay, so we will remove this bobbin. So we have top white, and I will insert this here. So I have wound this by hand. Okay, bound this by hand. There is no other way to wound it. So it's only light tension is there. There's nothing very tight about it. So I will just insert it here, and here, take it here and bring it here. So you see that since I have loosened this one, it is kind of coming here. Now we will. So when you are playing with it, there is a lot of tedious process. Like you have to keep the. I'll keep it. Now I'll remove this for ease. For the time being, we'll keep the needle plate like that. Insert this back, because I believe that bobbin tension would be enough. Okay, I'll keep it here. I will close this. Then let us see how this works. It's a straight stitch. I'll put in a straight stitch. You'll see. I'm going to increase the length. Okay. Let's see what happens. Needle up. Cut it. And this is the intercept. So you can see that this has a beautiful stitch has come. So once you have done with this, make sure to turn your bobbin tension back in the same place, otherwise you will have a problem when you're doing with normal thread. So now let us try something different. Slowly. Probably I'll fast forward this part, so I'll not show you the whole thing. Probably I'll do some and then show you. Wait, let's see. I'm holding the edge of the thread here, so that, or just keeping it under. From here, needle down, pivot, So here my stitch length is 4. Needle down. Reached here, needle down, and I'm taking it in a curve. Okay, probably I'll go back to see how that fun is. Is it fine? But this time I'll keep it much closer to show you the effect. Okay. I'm not doing back stitching, I'm just taking my needle up, carefully pulling it out, cutting the needles. Oh, I can't wait to show. Okay, so this is the beautiful thing that has come out. Okay, if you're a little more careful, I will cut the thread. But can you see? It has come. Because this is the variegated thread, that's why the shades are doing, but this has come out very beautifully. I'm so happy. So this is how you work with bobbin, adjusting the bobbin and working with it. My advice is to check that your threading is all proper, your direction in which you drop the bobbin in the bobbin case is correct before you go for doing any kind of adjustments in bobbin case. But if you want to make beautiful artwork like this, I think this is a good place. Like, it has come, the stitch length 4, probably I'll put it there. It's a stitch length, width is 0, stitch length is, I'll show you the setting. This is tension is here, width is 0, and stitch length is 4, and a straight stitch. These are the settings. And this is the end product. I end it, so this side is totally invisible, so those lines did not matter. So this is how it ended up.